Okay, so now we're going to look at the H-LOOKUP formula. H-LOOKUP does the same thing as V-LOOKUP. V-LOOKUP looks at your lookup value into columns. H-LOOKUP looks at your lookup value into rows. So the H-LOOKUP formula has 4 different components to it. First is the lookup value. This is the value or the text that you want to find matching data for. Next is your table array. This is the table or the range where your matching data lives. The third piece is the row index number. This is the same thing as the column index number in VLOOKUP, but for the row index number is the row in the table that you want to find matching data for your lookup value. And last is range lookup. This determines if you want an approximate or exact match. So for example, we have a table here of colors: purple, red, yellow, blue, and green, and we need to match a corresponding number to each of these colors. Now in this top table here, we have a completed data set of color and number, everything matching correctly. To do this, we can do HLOOKUP. Let's go up to Formulas, Insert Function, and we can search for our HLOOKUP here. This brings up our formula dialog box. So your lookup value, B8, your table array, A2 through F3. Now keep in mind when you're doing this, you want your table to be static. You don't want this to change when you're dragging your formula over. So in doing that, we're going to put $signs. Okay. Your row index number. Again, this is the row that you want to pull data from. So this is row 2 is going to be row 1, and row 3 will be row 2. So we'll put in number 2. In range lookup, we want it to be an exact match, nothing approximate, so we're going to put false. This is the same as the VLOOKUP, where 99.9% of the time you're always going to be using false. Hit OK. You can see it brings back purple is 5 and purple is 5. So you can take and drag this all the way over. So you can see it all matches. Red is 1, yellow is 4, blue is 2, and as we saw before, purple is 5. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on my channel. Be sure to like this video, comment if you have any feedback, and please subscribe. Thanks.